Hey guys, let's take a look on how to use your projector with this Roku Streaming 4K. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Here I have the remote control for both of them. That's the Roku remote control, and that's the projector. So basically here, I have the projector, as you can see, and the Roku is connected here. And then I just need to come here to the main screen and select this option here for HDMI. So using the remote control here, I can just go to HDMI and click it there. And there we go, I have the Roku already working because the Roku is just connected directly to the HDMI port and you're ready to go. Just need to select the input there and now you start using your remote control and you can select anything you want here. Let me just go home here and you see that I have a lot of options with the Roku channels and all the apps that I can use here for my Roku. Okay, so pretty simple. That's the way you can connect your Roku Streaming Stick 4K to a projector. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.